The three main ideas designing this space was privacy, lighting, and storage. Our concept was to create urban small luxury using wood, metal, and concrete.
Your support on Patreon means we can keep the Never Too Small episodes coming, so we can bring you more inspiring small footprint design just like this. Find out more at patreon.com/nevertoosmall.
I'm Pil Jung, Senior Spatial Designer at Mies Louis, an architectural firm in Seoul, Korea. This building is located in Seoul, Korea, in the Seocho district. The building was built in 2004. It is residential and commercial building. Seocho district is one of the busiest areas in Seoul and has shops, galleries, cafes, and pretty much all you need. My client frequently travels. When she is not traveling, she enjoys being at home. She prefers a cozy, warm space where she can work, cook, play, and rest. Originally, the studio had a bedroom behind the wall with a sliding door. There was a kitchen in the middle and a bathroom on the other end. The wall that separated the bedroom was unnecessary, so I removed them. I simplified the kitchen layout to suit my client's lifestyle, and also rearranged the plumbing pipes to move the washer and dryer. The biggest change to the studio was the addition of a custom storage solution. It stretches from one end of the studio to the other. This would become the main piece of furniture for the studio. I raised the ceiling height to make the studio feel more spacious. As you enter the studio, there is a short hallway before the main studio living area. All of the storage in the studio is within the floor-to-ceiling closet, which sits along the right side of the wall. It starts from the shoe closet at the entrance all the way to the bedroom. It is deep enough for a washer and dryer and a styler. A styler is very common in Korea. It steams your clothes to remove bad smells and can also dry them when they are wet. We chose to place the noisy elements like the wash tower and styler near the entrance and away from the bedroom. The rest of the storage is for clothes and other personal items. Behind the walnut sliding door and vibration finish stainless steel sliding door is the entertainment unit. These sliding doors can also slide from the kitchen all the way to the office. The doors in the studio were inspired by the Korean traditional doors at my family home. They are called Gan-Sal and are made from wood slats. The living room sits between the kitchen and bedroom areas. The client lives here alone, and she actually enjoys being at home by herself, so she did not have a need for a sofa. Instead, she has ergonomic chairs from Barrier. Along the back wall, we installed some plywood panels, stained in walnut. They are the same height as the kitchen counter, and stretch to the bedroom and double as the bedhead. The kitchen is quite large for a small studio. There is a large kitchen island made from HPL plywood and finished with a 3mm vibration finished stainless steel top. We chose a pendant light by Marsette's Neon de Luz in order to light the entire island while keeping the vibe feeling chic. We decided not to have storage cabinets above the kitchen counter in order to keep the kitchen feeling spacious. The sink has a dedicated tap for hot and cold drinking water. It also has a mode for washing vegetables and fruits. This is popular in Korea. We installed the big slab tiles on the wall to zone out the kitchen. It's also easier to clean. Dividing the bedroom area and the living area is a walnut wood partition. The slatted side was inspired by traditional Korean wood doors. It partially blocks the view of the bed from the entrance, but still allows the light and air to flow through. It also acts as the bedside tables. The office is integrated into the corner of the bedroom. The desk and shelves are mounted on the wall to give it a seamless look. Unlike the rest of the studio, the bathroom has a warm but bright tone. We chose not to have light coming directly from the ceiling. Instead, we installed them along the edge of the lower ceiling, so they can bounce off the walls and create a really nice soft look. Above the sink, we created a ledge for a client to put her daily bathroom items. On the floor, I used large Italian tiles from Blue Style. It was important to the client that the lighting in overall space was soft. We used LED strip lighting that bounced off the side of the walls to create a warm, soft mood. We added RGB lights inside the TV area for a bit of fun. I think small spaces have a lot of potential, and with a careful design, it could accommodate various different lifestyles to create a unique space. It is important to upcycle these studios so we can have more housing in the future. It is more sustainable to use the spaces we already have than to create a whole new space.
Thanks for watching, and if you're an architect or designer with a project we could feature, please share it with us at nevertoosmall.com/submissions.